Growing common chives as a beginner gardener using simple plastic plant pots. I bought 4.4 liters of vegetable garden potting soil from Safeway's flower department and decided to use it to grow my chives. It was the only soil mix I could buy real quick around 6 p.m., and I didn't want to ask my friend who was kind enough to drive me towards Safeway to quickly pick up some medicine in the pharmacy, to drive in the proper store to buy a better soil to grow my seeds. Unfortunately, I don't drive. Most of the items I am buying are from online. There is a friend of mine that I could ask to help me once in a while, but I prefer to make a schedule instead of a sudden whim. But I just wanted so badly to grow at least some seeds during that day. So I bought this soil mix to grow common chives. I know, I was really excited and a bit itchy to start growing, even if it's only chives for indoor potting plants. I think I shouldn't have given a fertilizer along with the potting mix that I am using, but it was already too late when I was editing this video. We will see if I manage to grow the chives or if they end up dying later on because of too much fertilizer or simply I made a mistake somewhere along the way. Now, to sprinkle a few seeds of chives, I don't know how many should I put in one plant pots. I was just stupidly and excitedly planting my chives during this time. Let's say this was the moment when I just watched people on YouTube harvesting their crops and I haven't properly watched how to grow my crops. I just want to grow mine, you know? There was the excitement, feeling hopeful that it would grow, and I just wanted to start planting with a happy smile on my face. I imagined that when my chives had grown, I could harvest them to add to my foods, such as sprinkling cut chives on my soups. I just found solace and joy thinking about it. So seeing the happy smile on the other gardener in YouTube videos, I wanted one for myself too. Life had been stressful for me, but I am still trying to stay positive, and I wanted something to help me out besides playing games online when I got the time to rest. So this is why I decided to start gardening this 2025 and post the moments on my YouTube channel. So what do you do to release stress? Anyway, to my fellow gardeners, to the people who are just starting as a gardener, or to the people who are kind and patient enough to watch my video, thank you. Let's hope my chives manage to grow, but if not, there is no way I will give up. I will plant and grow some crops this year. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.